What up, everybody? Just wanted to bring you a quick video of I'm going to be putting some parts in a walk-in cooler evaporator at my shop here just to prep it. We like to put this stuff in before going out in the field. It makes it a lot easier than doing it out, on the job site or whatever. I got to put the TX valve in, the solenoid, and the ASC port, the orifice, and everything, and get this thing set up for hot gas injection. This will kind of go along with the videos I did a few months ago about the condensing units when I got those set up with the hot gas valve and fan controls and all that. So now I'm finally able to show you guys the indoor part. So show you this and let's get to it. Guys, we're going to be setting up a unit for hot gas injection today. I was telling you before, our ASC port, we got to put a 3/4 nozzle in it. Our expansion valve, solenoid, and it's going to go into here. We like to prep these instead of doing them out in the field. It's easier doing them in the shop here to get them all ready to go. It's very important with these guys that you make sure the nozzle is, I don't know if you can see, but the nozzle is not in your distributor. The nozzle gets installed in here on your ASC port. It's going to get installed like this. So when the hot gas goes in, it gets injected right into your blower. It can't go through the nozzle or it won't feed right. It won't be able to warm that coil up enough for when the hot gas is in use to maintain your temp. So it's got to be before. Just like the diagram here that I showed you guys in another video. It's got to be like that with your nozzle there. The hot gas in, right to your distributor, to your coil. So you can see now, guys, we're lined up like our diagram here. This is going to be our inlet. The liquid line is going to be coming in here through our expansion valve, through the orifice, and through the distributor, just like normal refrigeration. And then after, we're going to have the hot gas line coming in here. So when it injects that hot gas, it's already past that orifice, so it can shoot right into your coil to warm this coil up enough and provide the correct temp for when this box is running. So too, we got copper to brass here, so I got to use the white flux with silver solder. This is what I use here. This silver here comes in a little coil like the wire, and I use this flux here for it. So you can get it to stick from the copper to the brass. It's the stuff I use. It works really well. Get ready to sweat this in, guys, with the silver solder using the hot block here. So that's going to protect this part of the valve right now. I just want to get this fitting on first, and then the valve, and then I'll do all the rest after. But I want to get it in so it stays in place here for me. But yeah, this stuff too I've showed you guys in the video works pretty good, guys. Check it out if your place has got it. It's pretty awesome. Same with the Viper wet rag too. That stuff works really well also. You can see now, guys, everything's all installed, all brazed up, all soldered up. Here's our hot gas line, which is stubbed out. Liquid line coming in with our solenoid. Always remember, arrow toward the coil, guys, toward the valve, coming in from your liquid line from the roof or wherever your condensing unit is through your valve. So that's pretty much it. It's all prepped and ready to go for the installers to hook up when the time comes. I also put a red X here. That is where that nozzle is, where the orifice is. That's the correct location where it's supposed to be, because we've been finding a lot of times, even from the factory, they're installing these wrong, and they're putting that orifice and leaving it in the distributor if we have the factory already pre-installed this stuff, and they're doing it wrong. So we have to go in after it's done, after we start having issues, take all this apart, do it all over again out in the field in a box that's supposed to be running, and that just aggravates the customer, and it's just a lot of unbillable time and things like that. So we decided we're going to start doing these ourselves so we know they're done right before they get out into the field. All right, guys, so that's it. Just a quick setup on that. That's how you set them up, no matter, big, small, whatever, cooler, freezer. That's how you do it. The most important thing is you've got to make sure that orifice, that nozzle, is in the right spot in that ASC port. Because if it's not, you have all kinds of problems. And I'm telling you, we have fixed so many jobs from the factory. I'm not going to call it the factory, but you guys obviously know who it is by looking at the blowers. And I'm telling you, the last couple of years, they've really been slacking, and it's really getting ridiculous. The quality control's like not good. You pay extra to have them install stuff, and they do it wrong. And then we don't know till you start the thing up, and then you're out stuck doing it in the field, and it's a pain in the ass. So that's basically it. If you guys want to go back a few videos, you can see how we set up the condensers for them with the electronic hot gas valve and all that comes off the discharge line from the roof. and all that stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm still trying to get some stuff for you guys. You know, I'm sorry I can't post as consistently as some other YouTubers, but trying to do what I can for you guys. I still appreciate everything and all the support, and you know what I mean? Hit the bell, especially, guys. If you didn't do that, like if you hit that bell notification, you'll know right when I post up a video or any type of, you know, announcement or something that I can do now on there with the community page on there. So thanks a lot, guys. Again, I appreciate it. Hope everyone's doing well. Try to stay cool. It's going to be getting hot soon. So catch you boys in the next one.